Okay, so we are gonna wax this jacket. This is a Carhartt Barlett jacket. It's a good work jacket and it's tough. And what I need is something that I can just throw on while I'm carpeting or doing work outside that is warm and waterproof. And this is not waterproof, this is just a cotton kind of duck fabric. But it's strong and tough, so I'm gonna go with a kind of Greenland wax. I'm gonna use paraffin and Beeswax. Okay, so I got the wax and the paraffin mixed. I'm making quite a lot here, so this is gonna be 1.5 kilograms. I don't know how much that is in pounds, but it is substantial. It's like 3 pounds, I think. Yep, just waiting for this to melt. Then we're gonna start with the folds and the inside here around the zipper and also around this part, and then do the back. Whoops, that was not meant to happen. I'll film a little more when it's melted. Okay, so I poured the rest of the wax. Just waiting for that to melt, but I just wanted to say that I've been using this for maybe a month. I just threw it in the washer, beginning to get a nice patina. It looks more natural, the color now, so I think it's a good idea to wash it and throw it in the dryer afterwards before you do this in any case, that you have a real clean and dry, nice fabric to suck up all that wax. Alright, this is like a part 2 of the wax jacket project. It's actually 2 months later. The linseed oil took about maybe 1 or 2 weeks to dry properly, and it's actually still curing. We can see it's starting to get a little bit shiny in some areas, and the wear is actually getting really beautiful. And I've been using it on and off now for about 2 months. So it's super water repellent. Actually, I think it's totally waterproof. I'm gonna wear it in a second, so you'll see what it looks like. I just wanted to highlight how the wear effect, and it is wearing beautifully. So I'm really looking forward to working in this jacket. As you can see, it's getting sunny and warm, and the winter is soon over, so we'll see how long I can keep using it before I need to stow it away for next autumn and winter. I'm sure this is gonna last a long time compared to modern or Gore-Tex clothing, for example.